Yellow leaves are your plant's way of signaling that something isn't right, either in its environment or inside the jar. The key is to spot the cause and fix it quickly. So, let's break down what's causing it and how to solve it. Reason number 1, root rot from poor conditions. Check inside the vase or pot. If your roots look black, brown, mushy, or smell bad, they are rotting. This usually happens due to stagnant water or overcrowded roots, leading to yellow, droopy leaves as the plant cannot absorb nutrients properly. You need to trim all mushy or brown roots, keep only firm and white ones. Then place the plant in fresh, clean water in a clean container. You can even add a pinch of rooting hormone. When you prune dead roots, rooting powder helps plants grow new roots faster. Reason number 2, algae and mineral buildup. If you notice green algae or white deposits in the container, it's a clear warning sign. Algae reduces oxygen levels, while mineral buildup interferes with proper root function. Fresh, clean water actually helps roots grow faster. First thing to do is make sure direct sun is not hitting your transparent vase. Direct sunlight causes algae buildup. You should clean the container regularly and always refill with fresh water. Avoid letting water sit for too long. Change water every 7 to 10 days. Reason number 3, temperature stress. Money plant does not like sudden temperature changes. Too much heat, cold drafts, or AC air can stress the plant, leading to yellow leaves. If scorching sun is hitting the leaves with high heat, leaves will turn brown with burnt, faded appearance. And if it's facing direct cold air, it will turn entirely yellow and then black. Keep it in a stable environment away from direct heat or cold air. Reason number 4, lack of nutrients. Water alone doesn't provide enough nutrients over time. It keeps the roots hydrated. You need to boost the plant growth and support its health by adding liquid fertilizer. If it's not having enough nutrients, your plant slowly becomes weak and leaves start yellowing. Add a few drops of liquid fertilizer in your vase once in 3 to 4 weeks to keep it healthy and green. Reason number 5, poor water quality and low oxygen. This is something most people ignore. If the water is not changed regularly, oxygen levels drop and roots basically suffocate. This leads to yellow leaves even if everything looks fine. Change water every 7 to 10 days and avoid using very dirty or heavily chlorinated water. Growing a money plant in water is simple and hassle-free. While also looking great, it helps clean the air, thrives indoors, and needs minimal care. On top of that, it's often associated with bringing positive energy and prosperity. Hope you found this video useful and learned something new today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.